was closed off, but I said, don't y'all know I need to film this for Vlogtober? Oh, look at that cruise ship down there. It looks like a Carnival cruise ship. Dolphin. Oh, that's cool. I just saw some dolphins. The sky is beautiful right now. You guys just saw the dolphins. Yep, you just saw it. Whoa, that's dolphins. Just saw two of them. A Carnival cruise ship. Definitely, that's Carnival. There's some ducks down there. That's definitely peaceful. Florida has some of the most beautiful sunsets that I have ever seen from all the places that I have lived. Just another fun fact. Beautiful sunsets are in Florida. Guys see the dolphins? That was very interesting. I saw dolphins, I saw a cruise ship, I saw a lot of stuff. So that's interesting. So I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you guys back on tomorrow. I captured the most beautiful sunset on the drive home. Thank you for tuning in to Vlogtober-Day 8. Shout out to the channel members, Dave's Adventures, Sirius as a Virgo from Georgia, Boss Life Online, Miss Nexie, I Am Tracy Lee. If you want to be featured, join my channel membership. I will see you back tomorrow.